या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्मच्वेतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवी सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती।
In today's competitive and rapidly changing business environment, tools like SWOT analysis, pastel framework, Porter 5 force model, the ENOF matrix, blue ocean strategy, and sustainability help organizations make informed and forward-looking decisions. Through this presentation, my students aim to simplify these concepts and connect them with real-world business situation. I invite you all to watch and learn the Mango story, sustainability at Reliance industry, which shape successful organization. I hope you enjoy this insightful students' presentations. Thank you and happy learning. This case study also show how business goals and environment responsibility can go hand in hand. Using tools like pastel analysis, Porter's 5 force model, we can see how outside factors like law, politics, and environmental issues can actually push company to innovate and grow. The most important lesson here is that sustainability and profit are not opposite. With the right vision and execution, businesses can create value not just for themselves but also for the society.
Hello, I'm Mukesh Ambani and today I am going to tell you how I turned my CSR project into a mango printing machine. This video explores how Reliance Industries Limited turned a regulatory and environmental challenge into a large-scale horticultural success at its Jamnagar complex. In the late 1990s, the landscape of Jamnagar was a stark contrast of industrial ambition and environmental desolation. As the massive refinery towers rose, so did the pressure. Facing intense environmental scrutiny and strict regulatory demands, Reliance was at a crossroads. The arid, saline soil of Gujarat seemed incapable of supporting life, yet the mandate was clear: transform this barren wasteland into a protective green shield. What began as a mandatory compliance task soon evolved into one of the most ambitious CSR projects in history, a mission to prove that heavy industry and vibrant nature could not only coexist but thrive together. What once was a vast, unforgiving expanse of saline dust has been reimagined into a living, breathing miracle. This is the Dhirubhai Ambani Lakhibag Amrai, a monumental feat of green engineering. Stretching across 600 acres, it stands as a testament to what vision can achieve in the harshest environments. Today, this massive orchard is home to nearly 140,000 trees, a vibrant mosaic of biodiversity featuring over 200 distinct mango varieties from across the globe. From a barren industrial buffer to the largest mango orchard in all of Asia, it is a triumph of nature restored by innovation. The transformation of Jamnagar is a story of engineering triumphing over a hostile environment. Naturally, this region is a semi-arid wasteland, characterized by high-velocity coastal winds and a soil profile so heavily laden with salt that traditional agriculture was deemed impossible. To sustain a massive orchard in such a climate, Reliance had to look beyond conventional farming and move toward a high-tech industrial approach. The backbone of this green revolution is a sophisticated desalination infrastructure. Strategic windbreaks were also planted to shield the delicate mango blossoms from the harsh Arabian Sea gusts. Today, these integrated systems have successfully turned one of India's most water-stressed regions into a lush, productive fruitland, proving that industrial scale and ecological restoration can work hand in hand. Our pastel analysis integrates government greenbelt norms with high-value export opportunities. By leveraging advanced desalination technology to generate local employment, we effectively increase green cover and maintain strict pollution control compliance, ensuring a sustainable ecological footprint. The Porter analysis highlights our strong market position. High capital barriers and in-house production minimize threats from new entrants and suppliers. Although export competition creates moderate buyer power and rivalry, our focus on premium mango varieties successfully limits the threat of substitutes.
So this case of Reliance Industry Limited show how smart business strategy work in real life. At the Jamnagar refinery, something was started as a rule they had to follow. Creating a green belt was not seen as a burden. Instead, the company turned into a great opportunity. By investing in technology, planning for the long term, and focusing on sustainability, Reliance transformed this requirement into a large horticulture and export businesses.